Hi, I am Deepthi. Welcome to Deepthi Analytics. In Power BI, a gateway acts as a secure bridge between your on-premises data sources and the Power BI service. If your data is stored in SQL Server, Excel files, or local databases inside your organization, Power BI cannot access it directly from the cloud. That's where the on-premises data gateway comes in. It securely transfers data using encrypted connections and enables scheduled refresh and direct query. There are two main types: standard mode, used for enterprise-level sharing, and personal mode, used for individual use. In simple terms, Gateway ensures secure, reliable, and automated data connectivity between your local systems and Power BI service. Really? Are gateways required in Power BI? The answer is it depends on where your data is stored. If your data is in cloud sources like Azure or SharePoint Online, you don't need a gateway. But if your data is stored on premises like SQL Server, local Excel files, or internal databases, then yes, a gateway is absolutely required. Why? Because Power BI service runs in the cloud. It cannot directly access your local network. A gateway acts as a secure encrypted bridge between your on-premises data and the Power BI service. It enables scheduled refresh, direct query, and secure real-time access without exposing your internal systems. So remember, cloud data no gateway. On-premises data gateway mandatory. In Power BI, there are two types of gateways: standard mode and personal mode. Standard mode gateway is designed for enterprise use. It supports multiple users, allows sharing across teams, and works with Power BI, Power Apps, and other Microsoft services. It's best for organizations where many users need access to on-premises data. Personal mode gateway, on the other hand, is meant for individual use. It supports only Power BI and is mainly used for scheduled refresh of personal reports. It does not support sharing or advanced enterprise features. So remember, for organizations and team collaboration, use standard mode. For individual report refresh, personal mode is enough. What is personal mode in the on-premises data gateway? Personal mode gateway is a single user gateway used to connect Power BI service to on-premises data sources like SQL Server, local Excel files, or internal databases. It is mainly used for scheduled refresh of your own reports. It does not support sharing with multiple users and is not recommended for enterprise-level collaboration. Now, how do you install it? First, go to the official Microsoft Power BI Gateway download page. Download the installer and choose Personal Mode during setup. Accept the terms and complete the installation. Next, how do you configure it? After installation, sign in using the same email ID that you use for Power BI service. This links the gateway to your Power BI account. Once connected, you can configure data source credentials inside Power BI service and set up scheduled refresh. How do you check if your gateway is up and running in Power BI service? First, sign in to Power BI service at app.powerbi.com. Next, click on the settings gear icon and select Manage Connections and Gateways. Here, you'll see the list of installed gateways linked to your account. Now check the status column. If it shows online, your gateway is active and ready for scheduled refresh or direct query. If it shows offline, it means the gateway machine may be turned off, disconnected from the internet, or the gateway service is stopped. You can also click on the gateway name to view detailed information like last contact time, version number, and connected data sources. Important reminder, always keep your gateway software updated and ensure the machine is running. That's how you quickly verify your gateway health in Power BI service. What is standard mode in the on-premises data gateway? Standard mode gateway is a shared enterprise-level gateway that connects Power BI service and other Microsoft cloud services to on-premises data sources like SQL Server, Oracle, SAP, or local databases. Unlike personal mode, standard mode supports multiple users and team collaboration. Now, how do you install it? First, go to the official Microsoft Power BI Gateway download page. download the installer and select Standard Mode during setup. Accept the terms and complete the installation. Next, how do you configure it? After installation, sign in using your Power BI or Microsoft Work email ID. This registers the gateway with your organization. Then, in Power BI Service, go to Manage Connections and Gateways. Add data sources, enter credentials, and map them to your datasets. You can also grant access to multiple users, making it ideal for enterprise environments. Important reminder, keep the gateway machine running and updated for scheduled refresh and direct query to work properly. In summary, Standard Mode is best for organizations, team access, and enterprise-level data connectivity. What is the difference between Personal Mode Gateway and Standard Mode Gateway in Power BI? Personal Mode Gateway is designed for a single user. It is mainly used for scheduled refresh of your own reports. It does not support sharing, and it works only with Power BI. Standard Mode Gateway, on the other hand, is built for organizations. It supports multiple users, allows sharing across teams, and integrates with Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and other Microsoft services. In terms of management, Personal Mode has limited configuration, but Standard Mode provides full admin control, user access management, and enterprise-level security. So remember, Personal Mode is best for individual developers or personal use. Standard Mode is recommended for production and enterprise environments. How do you schedule a refresh in Power BI? First, publish your report from Power BI Desktop to Power BI Service. Next, sign in to app.powerbi.com and go to your workspace. Open the Datasets plus Dataflows tab and find your dataset. Click on Settings, then go to the Scheduled Refresh section. Turn on the Keep Your Data Up-to-Date option. Now choose the refresh frequency daily, weekly, or specific time intervals. Set your preferred time slots and click Apply. If your data source is on premises, make sure your gateway is installed and online. Also, verify that your data source credentials are configured correctly. Once scheduled, Power BI will automatically refresh your dataset at the specified times. That's how you keep your reports updated without a manual refresh. What is Lineage View in Power BI? Lineage View is a visual dependency diagram available in Power BI Service that shows how your data sources, datasets, data flows, and reports are connected. To access it, go to your workspace in Power BI Service and click on the Lineage tab. Here, you can clearly see the data flow from the original data source to the dataset, and finally to reports and dashboards. This helps you understand upstream and downstream impacts. For example, if a dataset fails to refresh, you can quickly identify which reports are affected. You can also click on any dataset or data flow to manage credentials, configure refresh, or troubleshoot issues. In simple terms, Lineage View helps you track data dependencies and manage your Power BI environment efficiently.
Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Deepthi Analytics for more data analytics and Power BI content.